All right, so I'm here with my brother Nick.
What's up? I'm Nick.
Today I was going to remove the Ram emblems. There's one on the driver's side and the passenger side. Instead of just me making a boring video, we decided to turn it into a competition where we'll both be on opposite sides, and whoever can take off the old badges and put the new ones on wins.
So we have both emblems already taped up, both sides. We're just about ready to start the competition. In front of the truck, we have the adhesive remover because there's only one can, so it'd be kind of unfair to just stop it and then start. It's just there as a first come, first served ordeal.
Get ready to go down. All right. Just trying to figure out my plan of attack. Unfortunately, I thought that this was going to be a good idea to start on this side because the sun has been beating down on these emblems all day. So I figured it might be easier to cut through, but the part I didn't think about is I'm baking in the sun. Okay. All right, Nick, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1, go. I just hope I don't break the fishing line.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Dude, my hands are so sweaty.
Oh no. Woo. I'm down. It's not looking good for you, Nick.
No, it's not.
Just be careful because they are super grippy that it's easier to...
I already broke it.
Oh no.
I'm assuming that's what you're gonna say.
Did you already break it?
Yep.
Here.
Hold on.
All right, so unfortunately, I'm ahead. Well, it's not unfortunate for me, but unfortunate for Nick because I guess he's got sweaty hands. Maybe he was nervous. I don't know. Yeah. So then he grabbed some like gardening gloves that are like dipped in latex, and it's great because it grips the fishing line. But the thing is, you can put too much tension on the fishing line and then it snaps. So, so far we're in the lead, but you know it's not over yet. So now let's try and get this crap off. Oh, I heard one come off.
There's one.
Guess he's got it.
You.
You got it? Come on.
We're getting there. Slowly, but we're getting there.
Oh no. Man. Oh, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm born ready. It's going. Yeah. Are you about to put yours on?
Let it dry.
Alright, so
I mean,
Danny's won already.
no, but you did better on removing the. I had a ton. I mean,
Really?
I don't know. Yours looks a lot cleaner.
We're getting it done.
All right, I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start with the R. Ugh. Woo.
For good measure.
Last letter. Oh, I forgot how the shit leaves residue on the.
Oh, when you take all the tape off?
Oh. When you get there, you know, like the residue from the tape, right?
Yeah.
Just use the tape.
That makes sense.
It comes right off. Done.
You done?
Woo!
Nice.
Oh, you're so close.
That was right there.
I could have sworn that like when you had that like the broken fishing line and getting
It's all because of my sweaty hands.
I thought that I was gonna leave you in the dust.
I thought I was gonna be in the dust.
Get in them crevices.
Eating them.
I mean, yeah, I needed to wash the truck because it's freaking dirty, but
That one's
not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
hey,
Hell yeah.
yeah. I mean, you lost, but I'm just
It's alright. It is what it is.
But I appreciate you helping me out. That was fun.
No problem.
So yeah,
Danny won.
I won. It was close though.
It was. I caught up. It's all
He did.
not off to a hot start.
Not
as they
that.
say.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna leave him in the dust because you had your fishing line snap on you, and then you got gloves,
Multiple times.
and then I was at the glue first or the adhesive remover first, but I don't think that became an issue. But you did come back
I did.
like crazy.
Yeah.
I thought I was just gonna be home free, but like you were maybe like a minute or so behind.
Yeah, not too far behind.
Yeah.
But it's
So-
still fun.
The emblems or badges, whatever you want to call them, they're all done. They're all blacked out. I'm done with emblems, probably until I have to plasti dip again or replace those. But all in all, it's been fun. On to the next adventure, whatever that might be. Maybe it's putting drywall in the garage.
Yeah. If you need help doing that,
Boom.
give me a holler.
Yeah. Yeah. You say that now.
Yeah, I gotta up my rate.
Right. Yeah. All right. Peace.
Cool. Deuces.